Hi everyone, this side is Karthikeya Chawla on the behalf of Jam and Panther team. Today I'll be showcasing you our latest integration with Panther Web, that is Kibana. Kibana is a tool which can help you monitor your Panther web logs. So Kibana is not a lone tool. It comprises of many more tools in itself. As you can see, there are already 4 listed on my screen, but there are more to it. You can see in this tutorial, I'll be making use of primarily 3, which are Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Beats. I have opened the download pages over here, and Filebeat is a module of Beats. I'll be using Filebeat for this tutorial, and I'll be monitoring the logs of our web page, which is known as Spider. I have already downloaded all that over here in the zip, and I have unzipped also. I'll delete the zip files. I'll go to Elasticsearch, go to bin. I'll go to elasticsearch.bat and run as administrator. And run as administrator, just to be sure there is nothing wrong and it does not fault. So before you do elasticsearch.bat, please point your Java home and path in the environment variables. Java home is the path to your JDK and path is the bin followed by your Java home. It normally takes some time to start as it is doing right now. So you can see that it's already starting up. It does take some time, so no need to worry. Till it starts, let's go to Kibana first, which I have already downloaded and unzipped. Before I start Kibana, I'll need to go to config folder, open kibana.yml, edit with Notepad++, and I'll need to uncomment the Elasticsearch URL. I'll save this, close Notepad++, go back to Kibana, sorry, wrong folder, bin, and I'll need to run kibana.bat as an admin again, just to be sure that it also takes some time. No worries about that. Here you can see that it says server listening at HTTP localhost 5601, which is the default port for Kibana, and it says status changed to green, which means that Kibana is enabled now. Now, before we start Kibana, we need Filebeat also as the last module. So for Filebeat, I'll need PowerShell, not command window. I'll go for PowerShell, run that also as admin. Yes. I'll cd to the location and install service. What I'm doing is the proper doc to how install Filebeat. I'll open filebeat.yml in the Notepad++. I'll scroll up a bit. Here, I have to enable this. Then I have to give the path where my logs are kept. C application services /ulog and followed by an asterisk mark. Why I did that was, C application services is the path location for my logs, and ulog because all the logs that will be generated are JetNet logs, so they come in the form of ulogs. So I have given an asterisk mark so that Kibana loads all the logs. I'll navigate down now, more, I need to go to Elasticsearch output. Output.elasticsearch is already enabled. Here I'll type setup.kibana host localhost 5601. If you are unsure of where to place this, just scroll up and you will be able to see setup.kibana in the Kibana section, and host is also written over here. What you can do is you can copy it also, go down and paste it over here, which I have already done in the correct manner, so it does not appear as something changed. So you saw that I have enabled all that. So I'll close Notepad++. I'll go back to my PowerShell again. Before I do anything else, I'll enable its module, which is logstash. Enable logstash is enabled. Now I'll set it up. Setup. Just a bit of overview. Filebeat is something that loads your logs into Elasticsearch, and further Elasticsearch loads your logs into Kibana. Kibana is the UI front, Elasticsearch is the Lucene powered search engine, and Filebeat is the logger, which reads your logs and further sends them to Kibana. For this tutorial, I'll keep this simply to discover section, which I'll just show you in some time as soon as Filebeats load up, so that I can filter out the logs, and I'll not go into very deep of Kibana. If you want, I'll show them in the next tutorial. For now, I'll start the service as Filebeat. It started. Now I can go back, close all the tabs, open new one, and run localhost 5601, which is the port for Kibana. Now it's starting up. I'll go to the discover section. For this tutorial, as I said, I can show the other modules for Kibana in the later videos. If you want, you can put them in the comment section down below. The logger will load slowly. I'll click on refresh and see that the logs will keep on coming. That will happen over the time. So for the time being, I'll go to add a filter, go to message is service and click save. Out of those 150 hits, it restricted me just to 106, and those 150 hits were the line counter that have already been logged into Kibana by the files. ulog astic, the folder that had all the logs kept over there, it filtered out and it showed me just the files, or the lines I should say, that had the keyword as service. I have filtered out that. Here also you can see that it says starting service. So that's it for this demo. If you want more, just put them in the comment section below. And if you like the video, press the like button. And if you're watching us for the first time, please press the subscribe button as well. Thank you.